My name is Lorenzo Vignali and I'm a postdoc in Davide Crepaldi's lab, and I work in a project which studies the neuroscience of language in a collaboration between CISA and CIMEC universities. Essentially, I started studying at the University of Padua, where I did my bachelor and my master. I was studying psychology of development and education, but during my master I did a period abroad. I was for 6 months in Erasmus in Madrid, and there I had a course about the neurobiology of language. So I kind of got in touch with the field of neuroscience and how the brain works and how we interpret language in general. And I got really fascinated out of it, and then once I got back from Spain I decided to do that as a master's thesis, and I asked a professor that actually studies dyslexia using neuroimaging methods to take me as a student, and I did the thesis with him, and then it was kind of natural to follow this path. So I also did my PhD studying essentially word processing, how the brain processes words during reading. So this was my PhD topic in Salzburg. I'm involved mainly in projects with MAG right now. So this is now we shifted a bit the topic, so I'm involved into projects which investigates how we build meaning of words, so mainly about semantics. And these projects also involve blind participants, so we study how blind people process give meaning to the word that surrounds them, and whether this is different to the interpretation that we give, so sighted people give. And this is a series of projects, so are really several projects all about this topic. Being the MAG quite tricky machine, normally they give you a proper training for that, so only so-called expert users can access the lab alone. But I normally work assisted by, in this very moment I have 2 students helping me with the testing, so they help me to prepare the participant and everything, and of course they really are great help and they are fully collaborating to the projects. And then of course the data analysis part and interpretation of the results and everything is mainly on me. Of course they will write their own thesis about this, so they are fully involved in the project, but probably on a different scale. I actually have no idea. I really like what I do, and I think this is a good starting point for the future. I try not to look at myself as a professor in the future, but I really try to do as best as I can right now, and then whatever comes. I think our field has many applications beside academia. We work a lot with data analysis and so on, and this can help also in other fields. So I really have no idea. I'm lucky, I still have 2 years of contract with Davide, so I really don't want to look too much ahead and just focus on the present and do it good now.